Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of Get Plugins. Today I am going to show you how to convert variation select dropdown into image swatches from global attribute. So without any further delay, let's get into the main video. To convert variations into image swatches from global attribute, first you need to create product attributes and their variations globally. From the left sidebar, navigate to Attributes from Products. Now you are on the global attribute page. From here you can create any number of attributes you want. I'll create a total of 2 attributes. To create your desired product attribute, give your desired name here. For demonstration purposes, I have given the first attribute name color. After specifying your desired attribute name, you can leave slug, enable archives, and default sort order as it is, because all these are optional. Save it by clicking on the Add Attribute button. You'll notice a new color attribute is already created. Now I am going to add one more attribute. I have given the second attribute name size. Save it by clicking on the Add Attribute button. So you can see all of my attributes are created. So it's time to create the variations for all the attributes. First, I'll create variations for color attribute. From color attribute, click on Configure Terms to navigate the variation list page. In this page, you can add as many numbers of variations as you want. I'll add red and blue variations for my color attribute. First, I'll fill the name field with red and click on Add New Color button. Now I'll fill the name field with blue and again click on Add New Color button. So now color attributes variations are created. Go back to the attribute list page. From size attribute, click on Configure Terms. I'll create L and M variations for the size attribute. First, I'll fill the name field with L and click on Add New Size button. Now I'll fill the name field with M and again click on Add New Size button. You can see size attributes variations are also created. Now it's time to link the newly created attribute with the product. To create a variable product, navigate to Add New from Products. Fill the product name field with your desired title and also add some description. Select variable product from product data dropdown. From attributes, select newly created attributes and add them one by one. First, I'll select the newly created global color attribute and click on Add button. Finally, I'll select the size attribute and again click on Add button. Now click on the Select All button for both the attributes and all the variations of these attributes will be selected. Now give a check mark on Used for variations for both the attributes to tell WooCommerce it's for your variations. Finally, click on the Save Attributes button. Now click on Variations. Add variation will add each variation one by one, but create variations from all attributes will allow WooCommerce to create every possible combination of variations. That means it will create a new variation for each and every possible combination of variation of the attributes. For now, I'll go for create variations from all attributes. Now click on Expand to show the settings of all the variations. Price is the mandatory field for each variation, but others are optional. So make sure price is set in all the variations, otherwise variation will not show up on the product front end. Now add featured images by clicking on this image placeholder for each variation. I'll add featured images for all the variations one by one. To save the settings, click on the Save Changes button. Now you need to set a product image by clicking here. This image will appear when no variation is selected. Once you finish doing all these things, click on the Publish button. Now click on this link to go to the product front end. So our variable product has successfully been published. You can see currently the variations are in drop-downs. You can turn these drop-downs into button swatches. To do so, go to the product backend. Navigate to Add New from Plugins. Now search for variation swatches for WooCommerce by Imran Ahmed and install the plugin. The plugin has more than 200,000 active installations and plenty of 5-star ratings. Once the installation is completed, then activate the plugin. Now the free version of your plugin is activated. Go back to the product front end and reload the page. So you can see after activating the free version of the plugin variation swatches for WooCommerce, variation selection drop-downs are converted into buttons. Now I'll convert these buttons into image swatches. But to do this, you need the premium version of the plugin variation swatches for WooCommerce. To purchase the premium version of the plugin, go to the link getplugins.com. Click on Plugins and click on Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. Now purchase the plugin. Once you purchase the plugin, then download the zip file of the plugin. Now head to the product backend and navigate to Add New from Plugins. Click on Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded zip file of the plugin. Now install the plugin. Once the installation is completed, then activate the plugin. So now premium version of variation swatches for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated. Go back to the product front end and reload the page. So you can see after activating the premium version of the plugin variation swatches for WooCommerce, these buttons are converted into image swatches automatically. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of the latest videos. If you have any query, please write it down in the comment section. Thank you.